If you want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to be on camera, or you don't feel confident with making and editing videos, you need to try out these AI tools. They literally do insane video production work for you, and they're completely beginner-friendly. Even if you're a video editing genius, these tools will save you a ton of time and hassle so that you can focus on actually running your channel and making money. By the end of this video, you'll know what each tool is best for and how it can help automate your video production process. I've linked all of the tools and useful resources in the description below, so be sure to check those out to save some time and for any exclusive discounts. Tool 1. Let's start with Hailuo AI. This tool is fantastic if you want to bring static images to life or create animations without spending hours learning complicated software. Let's say you're working on an explainer video in the science niche, and you have a simple diagram of a process, like how photosynthesis works. Normally, you'd either leave the diagram static or hire someone to animate it for you. With Hailuo AI, you can take that diagram and upload it, and the tool will help you animate key elements. You could make arrows move to show the direction of energy flow or add subtle motions to the leaves and sunlight. It's simple to use. Once you upload your image, you just write a prompt explaining what you want. The end result looks polished, and it's ready to be dropped straight into your video. This is especially helpful for faceless creators working on educational or explainer channels where visuals are super important for keeping the audience engaged. Tool 2. Speaking of keeping your audience engaged, we have to talk about Viggle next. This tool is ideal for creating quick animations like intros, transitions, or outros. Say you're running a tech channel and want a slick animated intro that features your channel name and logo. Instead of starting from scratch, Viggle offers templates that you can customize. You can take a professional-looking template, replace the placeholder text with your own branding, and adjust the colors to match your style. The animations are pre-designed, so you don't have to worry about figuring out motion paths or timing. Everything is drag and drop, which makes it perfect for beginners. For example, if you're making a video about the latest gadgets, you could use Viggle to create a quick intro that features a spinning logo followed by some glitchy text effects. This not only makes your content look professional, but also helps you establish a consistent brand identity across your videos. This is especially important if you're running a faceless channel, because your brand identity is what viewers will connect with instead of you with your face on camera. Tool 3. Something else that's really important when you have a faceless channel is the quality of your footage. Krea AI offers two powerful features that are perfect for faceless creators: upscale and image to video. Upscale is a lifesaver when you're working with low-quality images. Let's say you've found an old infographic online, or you've taken a screenshot of something, but it's too pixelated to look good in your video. You can upload the image to Krea, and the tool will enhance it, making it sharp and detailed. This is perfect if you don't have access to high-resolution assets, but still want your video to look professional. The image-to-video feature, on the other hand, is where things get really exciting. Let's say you're creating a video about historical events and have a black and white photo of a battle scene. Instead of just showing the photo, you can use Krea to add subtle motion, like panning across the image or zooming into a specific part. This adds depth to your visuals and makes your video more dynamic, even if you're working with still images. For storytelling or educational channels, this tool is invaluable. Tool 4. Hedra is another tool that is brilliant for educational channels and absolutely deserves a spot on this list. It's especially great if you're looking to incorporate 3D animations into your content. Don't let the term 3D animation scare you off. Hedra makes it accessible, even for beginners. For example, if you're running a channel that reviews products, you can use Hedra to animate 3D models of the items you're talking about. Let's say you're reviewing a smartphone. You could upload a 3D model of the phone, and Hedra will let you create animations like rotating the phone to show all its angles or zooming in to highlight specific features. This is a great way to add a professional touch to your videos without investing in expensive software. The best part is that Hedra runs in your browser, so you don't need a high-powered computer to use it. Everything happens in the cloud, making it fast and easy to work with. Tool 5, another great tool that's super easy to use and incredibly fast, is Adobe Express. I recommend all YouTube creators to have this in their toolkits. While Adobe is known for its high-end software like After Effects, Adobe Express is free and incredibly user-friendly. It's perfect for creating animated text, transitions, or even thumbnails. If you're making a video that counts down the top 5 best books in a genre, for example, you can use Adobe Express to create dynamic text animations that introduce each number in the countdown. The tool is template-based, so you can start with a pre-designed animation and customize it to fit your video. You can change the colors, fonts, and motion effects with just a few clicks. This is perfect for faceless creators who want to add a polished touch to their videos without spending hours on design. Tool 6. If you're less concerned about everything looking polished and professional, and instead want to really tug at your audience's heartstrings, because let's face it, that's where the money is, you need to try this. Live Portrait is one of the most unique tools on this list. It's hosted on Hugging Face and allows you to animate still images of people. This is especially useful for storytelling or educational content. For example, if you're running a channel about historical figures, you could take a portrait of someone like Albert Einstein and use Live Portrait to make it move and even speak. The AI lets you sync the animation with your voiceover, so it looks like the person in the image is narrating the story themselves. This adds a layer of engagement to your videos that static images just can't provide. To use it, you upload a photo, type in or record the script, and let the AI do its magic. The results are surprisingly lifelike, and they can make your videos stand out in a crowded space. Tool 7. Speaking of standing out, we have to wrap up with animated drawings by Meta, which is as fun as it is useful. This tool lets you take a hand-drawn character, whether it's a stick figure or something more detailed, and turn it into an animation. For example, if you're running a channel about kids' crafts, you could draw a simple character to demonstrate a concept, upload it to animated drawings, and have it wave, walk, or even dance. The tool detects the joints in your drawing and applies realistic movements to it. It's a playful way to add personality to your videos and make them more engaging, especially if you're targeting a younger audience. These tools make it easier than ever to create high-quality animations for your faceless YouTube channel. Whether you're enhancing still images, creating dynamic intros, or animating characters, there's something here for every type of creator. Best of all, they're all free to at least get started with, so you can experiment and find the ones that work best for your content style. With these AI tools, you can focus less on production hassles and more on sharing your ideas with the world. Which of these tools have you used before, or are you thinking of using? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful or interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.